The residential market in Abu Dhabi has actually proven to be quite resilient. We have seen a 1% decline quarter on quarter, but on a year-on-year basis, we are still in positive growth territory, which, given the current economic conditions, I think is testament to the strength of that market. We have a comparatively small development pipeline over the next couple of years. And last year we had about 6,000 units that were delivered. So compared to the 5-year average, which is somewhere closer to 10,000 units, we do not have that significant supply, which I think will help to insulate the market, certainly during tougher economic conditions that we're seeing. In terms of what's driving these rental changes, we've had some deflation within the prime areas and for larger unit sizes, but we've had a general flight to affordability towards areas like Mohammed bin Zayed City, Khalifa A and Al Reef, and I think that's obviously what has helped to kind of sustain the low to middle income market. The Abu Dhabi office market is really driven by a couple of key sectors, oil and gas and the public sector. Now, obviously these sectors are going through some challenges at the moment. We obviously have a very low period of oil pricing, and that is having a direct and knock-on impact onto the commercial office sector. We've seen some office closures from law firms during the quarter. We've certainly seen a reduction in the amount of office requirements, and that's really impacting rental rates and also leading to some increase in vacancy rates as well. We actually had no change in the average prime rental rate during the quarter, but a 2% decline in overall average office rentals. And I think those trends are probably likely to continue throughout 2016 as well. The hospitality sector was definitely one of Abu Dhabi's bright spots. We had over 4 million visitor arrivals during the course of the year, so significantly up on 2014 figures. We had an overall improvement also in occupancy rates as well. So, some good news there for the hotels. And with about 5,000 keys set to be delivered over the next 3 years, the development pipeline is comparatively small, and I think there's more opportunities for the occupancy rate to improve still further. I think what we're likely to see, is the emergence of some more challenging conditions, particularly within the commercial office market, which is directly impacted, I think, by the performance of the economy and of the oil and gas sector in particular. For residential, I think we expect to see relatively stable conditions, maybe some further deflation within the prime areas. We expect to see hospitality to continue to perform well. We expect to see an increase in visitor arrivals again this year, and building up towards the handover, obviously, of the new airport within a couple of years' time, which is the real game changer, I think, for the Abu Dhabi tourism market.